Hello and welcome. My name is Yi Sun. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with AppRun. AppRun is a library I created in order to build applications using Elm-style model view update architecture. I have an empty folder opened in Visual Studio Code. I like the integrated terminal in VS Code. It makes coding life much easier. First, install AppRun globally so that you can have access to the AppRun CLI. It finishes quickly. You can see it has no dependencies. Now run the AppRun CLI with Command-I to initialize project files. It will take a couple minutes. Now it's done. Let's go through the files. Index.html is the main HTML file. It has a div tag for future application content. It has a script tag for compiled JavaScript app.js. App.js is compiled from main.ts. Main.ts is written in TypeScript, so it needs a tsconfig.json and a webpack.config.js in order to compile main.ts into app.js. Pretty much straightforward basic settings. Finally, a Readme file, which tells us we can run npm start to start the application and npm run build to produce app.js for production use. Okay, run npm start. Now it compiles the code and launches Webpack dev server at port 8080. Open localhost at 8080 in the browser. The application is running. Look at main.ts closely. It has a model view update architecture. Model is the data model of application state. The initial state here is hello AppRun. View is the way display the state. If the state changes, the view will display the new state. Let's change the state by adding an exclamation mark. Notice the Webpack dev server picked up the changes, recompiled the code, and refreshed the browser. Very nice. Coding is so much fun. Let's make the application more interesting to say hello to whom user says so. Add an HTML input for users to type. Connect the onInput event to AppRun event. Call it input. Implement the input event in update. Update functions create a new state based on current state and event parameters. Here the parameter came from the onInput event. e.target.value is what user typed. We will return user's typing as a new state. Try it now. It works as expected. Turn on the dev tool to see what happens. While typing, the DOM only changes where it needs to be. This is because AppRun can detect the differences between the old and new view, and only renders the differences. This will make application having good performance. Watch closely again. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy coding until next time.